If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's up? Let's jump straight into this video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be talking about rice water and how it has really grown my hair out in just 2 weeks. Like using it consistently for 2 weeks. And pretty much I'm going to show you guys everything I do as far as first step would be making the rice water. You can actually boil some rice and use that rice water, or you can do it like overnight, putting the rice water into a container and then pouring some into a spray bottle. That way you can use it every day. So I look crazy. I know. I'm getting ready for bed, trying out the rice water on my hair, and this is day 1, Monday, I think. Well, actually it's Sunday night, Sunday the 28th. So I'm gonna spray this rice water in my hair overnight and probably condition it tomorrow night and repeat this and keep this in my hair. I'm not gonna, unless it stinks, I'm not gonna wash this rice water out of my hair. And this is how I do it, because every day I do literally have to wet my hair so my hair can be styled and I can manage it because it's so thick and natural. So it just made sense to me to put the rice water in this little spray bottle, regardless of if it works, if it don't work. It's not gonna hurt me, so it's like, why not try and see if my hair grew. So recently I dyed my hair this color, so I'm gonna show y'all a little video clip of how my hair looked before I dyed it and how it looks now. Now you can see that my black roots are coming in again, and it's been 2 weeks since I dyed my hair. I'm gonna actually stretch my hair in this video as well so you guys can see, because right now it's just coiled up and you probably like, girl, you still look bald headed. I know. But y'all have to remember that I shaved my head and I didn't have no hair when I started this natural hair journey. I'm gonna insert a little video clip right here. As you guys can see, I don't want to hold y'all in this video too long. This is my finger. It goes a little bit past that. Almost, it's like in the middle of these two lines of my fingers. So I would say that's more than an inch, maybe 1.5 inches that my hair has grown. And I'm going to try to stretch it somewhere else and use the finger to measure it. Okay. Yeah. I would say my hair has grown at least 1.5 inches since I last measured it. And since really using the rice water, I was already using the rice water. I just wasn't using it consistently. So the past 2 weeks, I've just started using the rice water consistently. And I'm gonna let y'all know this. The rice water works. I don't care what nobody say. I'm using rice water, and the thing about it, people have like, I see people saying, and I see from videos and from people I know that think that rice water stinks. You better condition your hair after the 3rd time of putting some products in your hair. That's just a buildup. So yeah, you're gonna need to, I condition my hair a lot because I'm bald headed. So when I'm washing up, it don't take nothing for me to wash my hair as well. You know, it's not like I got a lot of hair to manage. So I'll wash my hair probably about, I condition my hair probably about once a week. So you can smell the rice water if it has a smell to it. It's because you kept it out and you didn't put it in the refrigerator. I keep this in the refrigerator. I put this in the door of the refrigerator. I thank you guys, and I thank you guys again for making it to the end of this video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and I'll see y'all in my next video.